Hello, I'm Keith from the Interior Maison. We are the interior design firm who designed this 4-room BTO, which is home to a couple and their pet dog. What's special about this home is that the owners were very keen to experiment with uncommon materials and different stone finishes. Overall, you will find that this project is very much like a hotel suite, but with darker tones. When you first enter the space, a calming ambience welcomes you. This was made possible by using shades of grey, and it was something the owners needed for a cozy space. Instead of a typical metal gate, the owners got this door with soundproofing attributes for their pet dog, whose barking can be quite loud. At the same time, it brings in natural light to the opposite end of the living room. Moving on to the living room, a large sofa greets you. It's one of the owner's favourite spots in the home, as it immediately makes you feel relaxed. To accommodate this 3-meter long sofa and still keep the area feeling spacious, we first demolished the junior bedroom wall. After that, we built the TV feature cabinet further backwards, as such that it's flush with the structural beam. Other layout changes that we made were enlarging the dining area and combining the master bedroom with the adjacent junior bedroom. The statement piece of this area is definitely this peninsula island made of designer glass blocks that span a length of 2.4 meters. Glass blocks have always been a dream for the owners to have, but they were unsure of where to place them because of the space constraints. Eventually, we decided on the dining area as it can be better seen and appreciated. During the planning stage, there were several challenges to overcome before the execution. One such challenge was the tight space, since we didn't want to compromise a great idea and affect the overall aesthetics. To solve the problem, we shifted the wet kitchen entrance backwards to ensure the dining space feels spacious and the island looks grand on its own. The beauty of glass blocks is that they allow light to pass through and the entire island becomes less visually heavy too. Now, it's a multi-purpose feature where the owners can do anything from food preparation to work and hosting guests. Although cooking is not a daily affair for the owners, they wanted their kitchen to be functional and minimal in design. 2-tier top cabinets were ideal for them, as the upper tier has more depth for more storage and also houses larger appliances that are rarely used. Another highlight is the downdraft hood that we installed. The sleek design reduces overhead clutter and it can be hidden away in the counter itself. There's a casement door next to the island that leads to the master bedroom. This door is meant to be concealed with the design of the feature wall. It creates a lounge vibe for when the owners are chilling with friends over a few drinks at the island. For the master bedroom, the owners needed a bigger space for their wardrobe needs, so we combined the original master bedroom with the adjacent junior bedroom. There was a structural wall between the rooms that we couldn't hack, but it came in handy to set up as a partition to convert part of the area into a walk-in wardrobe space. The sleeping area was planned for the common bedroom instead of the original master bedroom because the couple start work at different times. The partition space allows them to get ready without disturbing each other. While the homeowners do host from time to time, they really just enjoy having the place to themselves. That's why both the master bathroom and common bathroom are in the redefined master bedroom space. The master bathroom is extra spacious as the homeowners wanted it to serve purely as a shower area. We centered the shower set and added a long niche from wall to wall for a luxurious touch. Meanwhile, the common bathroom was converted into a powder room. We planned a vanity cabinet with his and her basin. We centered the large mirror panels to each of them. We also did up carpentry with a louver panel that overlaps the existing toilet window. Overall, the bathroom feels like part of a suite rather than a HDB flat. The countertop that matches the surrounding tiles is not made of wood, but a strong material that is resistant to moisture. It was also the choice of countertop for the kitchen, as it is resistant to heat. You might notice that we use the same floor tiles across the bathroom and bedroom. While it's not a common design choice, we propose it to the owners who like the idea of a seamless visual connection. Overall, the communication that we had was always two ways, and they trusted us with the out-of-the-box visions, as it was not easy to picture them in their mind. The homeowners shared that in the end, the result exceeded their expectations and they were really comfy and happy in their home. As designers, that was the best thing to hear.